Why is TikTok so important for brands? Hello everyone, welcome back to the GoSo channel. My name's Chris and today I'm going to do a video about why TikTok is so important for brands. So now is the perfect time to start on TikTok. It's kind of like what Instagram was back in 2017 and profiles are growing a lot faster on TikTok right now than they are on Instagram. So it's a perfect time to set yourself up on there and get growing. And because it's so much easier to grow on TikTok currently, you can become the market leader in your certain area compared to your competitors who might not be on the platform. So the great thing about TikTok is you can experiment and be fun with the content that you post. TikTok offers so many things that you can do on there to make your videos more interesting than some of the videos you might put on other platforms. And also as well, TikTok has a large range of songs that you can use as well compared to other platforms due to copyright issues as well. And you can do this all via your phone. You don't need an expensive camera or anything like that. You can make a quick video, upload it to TikTok, and then you can change it, you can edit it and make it really fun. And so all of your followers will find it super engaging and they'll carry on following you. So with TikTok being a new platform and a majority of the users on TikTok as well are going to be the younger generation, this is going to show your followers, your clients, anyone who's interested in your business that you're up to date on social media. And this will be rather than a company that still only has one social media platform, for example, who have had a Twitter account since 5 or 6 years ago, and the same with Facebook. So it's a great way to show your clients that you're up to date on social media and you're experimenting with new fun videos. So with TikTok having a large majority of the younger generation using it, and also new people who may have not used Facebook and Instagram before, but now they're interested in TikTok because of the different types of videos you can post on there, you're going to get a lot wider reach in terms of when you post. You're going to find new clients, you're going to find new people who are going to be interested in your content that you might not be able to find as easily on other social media platforms. So also with TikTok being a pretty new platform out there, not many people are using the TikTok ads yet, and this could be very beneficial to your company. Due to the fact there's not many people using them, you're going to get more money for your buck when you do put an advertisement on TikTok. And it also gives you another chance to make some fun videos, get some different type of advertisement out there and gain some more revenue or more followers on all your social media platforms, not just necessarily on TikTok. As you may or may not know, TikTok offers a much larger range of songs that you can post on there and use for your videos compared to other social media platforms. So you avoid the legalities and the copyright of having your photos taken down, as a lot of the other platforms do. So you can do this. And also as well, if some of the songs, for example, are in the top 10 charts in certain countries, by using them songs on your videos, you're actually going to gain a lot more reach when you do post, due to the fact they are trending songs at that given time. So TikTok is a lot easier to share the content from your TikTok on other social media platforms. And this is a great time to start challenges. As you may have seen in the past, there's been the Ice Bucket Challenge, for example. There's been the Cinnamon Challenge. You can create one for your brand or for your, for your company, whatever you want to do. And as it's easier to post on different social media platforms, if you create a good challenge that then goes viral, you're going to get so many new followers from this, and you're going to get a lot of traffic going through to your brand. Because if one of the challenges that you create catches on, and many of them do, a lot of that traffic is going to be directed back to you, and people are going to be sharing your content, sharing the challenge, and before you know it, you can have thousands and thousands more followers. Just to say again, as I said before, it's very easy to make TikTok content as well. You don't need a fancy camera, all you need is a decent phone, and TikTok provide all the tools that you need on the platform to make it more interesting. And if you're not too sure what to do, go through some of your competitors, have a look what they're doing on TikTok, and take the snippets and take ideas from them from what they're doing, because you'll be surprised about how easy it actually is to make really good content, due to the fact of it's aimed at being simple and very easy to use. So it is very easy right now to grow on TikTok, but there are even ways to make it even easier. And one of them ways is the GoSo TikTok growth that we have. And the clients on there are growing really well at the moment. So if you haven't, click the link below, go through and check out the packages that we have for TikTok, because this will make it just a little bit easier and also super boost your profile when you are posting. So 3 things that are very important to do when going onto TikTok or setting up a new profile is you need to adjust your content. You can't just post the same content that you do on Instagram, on TikTok. You need to change it and make it specific for the platform. So if you're struggling, again, as I said before, check out a couple of the influencers or check out a couple of companies, brands that are already doing TikTok content, see what they're doing, and be creative. This is the biggest tip that we can give you. Be creative on TikTok, because if people find it interesting, they will follow you back. If your content is boring and you're using content from Twitter, most likely is you're going to put a lot of effort into TikTok and you're not going to get much back out of it. So make sure you be creative, experiment with different things, and you'll be surprised about the results that you'll get. So thank you very much for watching the video. Please leave a comment below, like and subscribe if you have liked the video. Also, if you have any questions about TikTok or GoSo TikTok growth, please send a ticket via the website at goso.io and we'll get back to you as soon as possible on how we can grow your profile. Thanks for watching.